Today we are in the beautiful Norfolk countryside visiting one of our amazing suppliers, Traditional Norfolk Poultry.
Did you know that less than 1% of the chicken sold in the UK is actually free range? So we're really excited and super proud to be able to put these guys in your boxes every single week.
I'm Mark Gorton from Traditional Norfolk Poultry, and we're here in the heart of Norfolk on one of our free-range chicken farms. We started the business in 1988 with just 12 turkeys. We strive to give the birds everything they want, with the ability to roam around their fields and to behave in a natural way. Chicken's natural instinct is to go out and forage, and really there's the age-old adage of you are what you eat. So we give our chickens a really wholesome diet. 70% of it is actually cereals. They really do everything that they would do if these birds were living in the wild, and that is one of the key things to what we do here at TNP. We're always looking for something different, new and innovative. So we started the relationship with the Mindful Chef about a year ago. It's really good to be working with a company that shares the same ethics as us. For us, that's exactly what we want to do. And to me, this is what it's all about. There they are, they're running around, they're happy on a glorious day, eating the dandelions. It's chicken heaven.